Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to be telling you how to create our own AI character on Instagram. So first open up Instagram. So you gotta go to your account right here and then click at this plus button, and as you can see there's a thing called AI character. Just click on it. So we can choose any of this. So let's do like a custom AI character. Let's describe our AI character first. So let's describe it. Okay, so let's click next. So yes, so you can actually add your own name if you want to. I'm just gonna put my own name, and so on this on the advanced settings you can click at this welcome message. So if you say, you can actually put any message when to welcome someone when they come to when they click your AI character. So I'm just going to put welcome to the gaming era. So I'm going to say that, and then here it says icebreakers. So what is the icebreaker? An icebreaker is some suggested prompts that people can click on to start the conversation with our AI. So you can put icebreakers if you want to. I'm gonna add some. So let's try how to play Minecraft for free, and here let's try, let me think for a second. Yeah, best Roblox games, and then third is best shooting games. So it's saying instructions, so we can enable this, and then let's click on this. The instruction is enter in. Yeah, we will leave these two. So yeah, we'll leave these two. So let's click at done, and then we can personalize our picture, but I don't care. So let's click at chat with AI character. So you need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so this may take up to 10 seconds, and oh my god, okay, it finished. So as you can see, our prompts are here, and it's saying welcome to the gaming era. So if you want generate a man playing video games, it will generate an image. So you can just respond to their questions. So yeah, you should just okay. So yeah, we have this image right here. Oh my god, as you can see, it can generate many images, or if you ask anything, yeah, you can generate any image you want to. So if you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if this video was useful, please oh my god, what the hell, I'm so sorry. So my goal is to get to 500 subscribers. So please help me by subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys, see you on my next video. Bye.